In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Notes to Claude step by step. So the first step is to download Claude for your desktop. So you can come to this website here, which is claude.com/download. And I will also list a direct link in the description below. And once you're here, you can just download it for your operating system. And I have a Mac, so I would just click on download for Mac OS. And once it's downloaded and installed, we can come down here and open up the Claude desktop app, which looks like this. And this is what you'll see. And on the left-hand side here, you can select the chat mode, or you can select the Cowork mode. The Apple Notes integration works in both, so you can select either one of these options, depending on what you use more often. So for this example, I would just go with Cowork. And then let's come down here and click on Customize. Click on Connectors. Click on the plus sign here, Browse Connectors. And then we can just search for Apple Notes here in the search box, and then you will see Read and Write Apple Notes. Click on it, and then just click on Install. Click on Install, and then we can close this window. And then down here, you will see Read and Write Apple Notes. We can click on this. And on the right-hand side here is where you can adjust the permission. So I usually go with List Notes. I will just go with Always Allow, and Get Notes Content, Always Allowed as well. So this basically gives Claude the permission to always be able to read your notes. And in terms of adding any notes or updating any notes content, I will leave it at Needs Approval. So that way, if Claude wants to make any changes, it will need my approval first. So that's the settings I prefer. But if you want your process to be more automated, you can also have the option to toggle on Always Allow for these as well, just depending on your comfort level and your workflow. So there's how you can connect Apple Notes to Claude. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.